Okay.
Is it
Uh,
is a
it's
hot
a
day.
hot day. Okay, it is a hot day. Okay, you can move to boxes. One, two. Okay, next. Mhm. Next. Rauhah, can you read?
Right, and his gun are camping.
Fred and his gang are camping. Okay, you can move two boxes. One, two. Okay, next.
Ryan is giving some getting and giving some fish, and Fan is helping him.
Fred is greeting some fish and Fran is helping him. Okay, you can move two boxes. Okay, next. Okay, this one.
Tom is missing some string, and Fred is chopping some nuts.
Palm is mixing some rings and Frank is chopping some nuts. Okay, one, two. Okay, next. The last one is, okay, this one. Mm.
But Dick is just sitting on the sub, thinking of something.
But Dick is just sitting on the sand thinking of something. Okay, you can move two boxes. Okay, you have finished. Okay.